Get off at Yongsan Library bus stop. Today, we will start from Yongsan Library on Sowol Row and walk to Haebangchon intersection. Let's walk in the direction where you can see Seoul Tower. For reference, if you follow the passage on the right here, there is an elevator that goes down to Goethe-Institut Row. Sowol Row is a road that was built as part of urban development during the Japanese colonial period. The Goethe-Institut is located here. Founded in 1951, it initially focused on German language education, but over time it expanded its activities to include cultural events, providing information on studying abroad, and networking with German-related organizations and groups. It would be nice to sit here and read a book or watch a movie. Comfort. This cafe offers fantastic views, especially during sunset. Cultural events and exhibitions are sometimes held, so if you're curious, be sure to check them out. The bus stop is called Huam Medicinal Spring, but it seems like the medicinal spring has disappeared. After liberation in 1945, Sowol Row went through a period of new changes. In particular, after the Korean War, many people moved to this area, forming a large-scale densely populated residential area, and commercial activities also became active. In recent years, various cafes, restaurants, and cultural spaces have opened, making it a popular place for young people. If you go down these stairs, you'll reach Shinhyang Row 20 Gil. For your information, the name Shinhyang in Shinhyang Row means to rise anew, reflecting the hopes of people who were trying to find a new life after liberation. The exact opening date of Shinhyang Row is not clearly recorded, but it is believed to have been developed in the early 20th century. As Haebangchon itself underwent changes after 1945, Shinhyang Row was also one of the roads that developed during that time. Haebangchon intersection. Haebangchon intersection is a point where several major roads intersect, and many people use it because of its excellent accessibility. There are many cafes, restaurants, and shops around the intersection, making it a popular place for local residents and tourists. Each of the streets you see from here is full of interesting things to see. Now, let's take a walk and feel the colorful aspects of Haebangchon for yourself, starting from this intersection.